2 trains come.
We got it again. Come on, Purple.
Let's take a ride.
Come on, give us a red train.
Collect as many trains as you can.
Come on, give us a red train. Give us lots of trains. Upgrade. Come on now. What? Oh, come on. Well, at least we got 2 trains.
Hop on board.
We don't get too many. See? Come on, Purple, give us more. Bigger numbers. We're doing 750.
Keep on rolling.
Oh, come on. They could have gave us more. But that's still good.
Good one. Winning money is always fun.
$140,
Wow.
I think.
How'd you do that?
$114. Horseshoe, Indiana. Don't forget to subscribe.